Tá fáilte overrush. Now we are in the kitchen for a side dish showstopper.
Yes, we're making a potato salad, but not just any potato salad. It is a Jack O'Keefe pimped up potato salad. No pressure now, Jack.
No, there is no pressure. It's so simple, so easy. Like anybody, normally I'd say right now, this recipe is so good that the people at home should really start pulling out a notebook and writing this down and do it over the weekend. But it's so simple and it's so versatile, you don't need to.
But
right?
just in case.
Just in case. Get that
DVR,
notebook.
DVR.
Get that notebook.
Hit the button.
Right? And the recipe's on the website. So we have look, oven tray, baby potatoes. You can boil them if you want, but I love when they roast because look at all that lovely colour and everything, right?
Yeah.
And we get to add delicious Irish flavour to them. And what's better than Irish flavour? Irish butter.
Good butter.
Yeah, there's not much better than that
right?
now, let's be honest.
Nice, put a tablespoon or so of butter onto it, right? Good, flaky sea salt, like that. Black pepper. And then preheat your oven to hot. Like so, if you're using the barbecue, just have it hot.
Okay.
Or an oven about 220 degrees Celsius.
Oh, wow, that is
perfect.
hot.
And after about 20 minutes, you're left with those. So bang it into the centre of the oven so it's nice and hot. And there it is.
And so how, 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
Is that all?
And that's it. And as you
Really?
see when they come out,
Yeah.
nice, fluffy.
But you see, can I just say, because if I was doing them, I'd be worried that the big ones would take maybe an extra 10 minutes. But you're saying no.
But that's what I love. It's the rusticness of it. When you're building a salad, I hate uniformed chop. We're no longer in the 1980s and 1990s where everything is cut into perfect batons. Do it rustic, because then you get different textures. The small ones are overcooked. They're soft. They have this really creamy texture. The big ones are slightly al dente. They're crunchy. So it's like, I'm one of these people that my head thinks of flavours when I look at when I'm thinking of a dish, but I also think of textures.
Okay.
You're blowing my mind here, Jack.
So,
I've never
like,
heard
I'm one of
that
these
I'm
people
before.
starving now.
I always dip a pizza into like
great.
garlic mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Because it's the crunch, the cheesiness, the pepperoni, it's the creaminess. It
Yeah.
all just balances out in my mouth. So when I'm building a salad, I do the exact same thing. So be rustic with it. If you don't have baby potatoes or you stop at the side of the road and you get those beautiful new season potatoes now that should be appearing, if there's huge ones, just cut them in half. You know, and have, you get what I'm trying to say.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, so to make the dressing, we got a jug. I'm going to use some of Kerrygold's new cream cheese. It's fantastic, right? Because we cover salads in Ireland, everything has to go with mayonnaise, 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 mayonnaise. Like, I know I just said mayonnaise with a pizza, but a cream cheese dressing is a game changer.
Okay.
Like, it's so creamy, it's so nutty. You can almost taste the cows that it came from, you know, the grass. And it's the only time you'll ever hear a Cork person complimenting something from Kerry.
Well, I was about to say,
Yeah, there's pigs flying around the studio right now.
It
hurts a
bear in mind you're
little.
from Cork.
So
And the two of them are playing each other, next week in the
we won't say nothing about that now.
championship. No.
So put the cream cheese in, a little bit of Dijon mustard. You can use whole grain mustard just to give that little kind of warm hit. Good Irish cider vinegar, a little dash.
Okay.
Pinch of salt. Good chunk of black pepper.
Okay. I don't think I've ever had potato salad with cream cheese instead of mayonnaise before.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Wait till you try
So,
this. It's
well,
it'd be quite, I suppose, like Eastern European almost in its inspiration. So a little bit of garlic. It's about a quarter of a clove, right? And then I just add in a small little bit of water to loosen it up. But if you want to make it more dairy-based, a little bit of buttermilk will also make a massive kind of difference.
Three dairy products in one salad then. Now,
And no calories.
No,
Not a
not on a
single
Friday.
calorie.
I think salads make a barbecue. Like, I'm a big salad person. I want at least 3 to 4 side salads on my
dear.
plate. But especially because I'm a vegetarian, so I'm not going to overload on the sausages and the chicken breasts and all that kind of stuff. So I'm very interested to see now, does this do the job?
Right? That's it, nice and creamy, and that will store in the fridge for about 3 days as well. So you can
Okay,
make that
and like
in
you
advance.
said, if it's too thick, extra bit of water will sort it out.
Exactly, right? Now, my salad leaves. Dill, parsley and mint. Just a big bunch. I don't even pick the leaves.
I love dill. It's my
And I
favourite
love
herb.
the stalks, again, add that texture, the difference of flavour, the crunch to it. And you can see I just work through it with a knife once. Don't want to bruise them, I don't want to destroy them.
He's gone all rustic on us today, hasn't he?
He's treating them like they
This
have
is me at
feelings.
home now, right? So then baby radishes just cut into random sized chunks. You can thinly slice them on one of those finger removal pieces of equipment called a mandolin.
Yeah, but you lose your fingers as well.
But the nice and rustic goes with it, and it's like this big, spicy, peppery crunch. So then, take some of that dressing, bang it onto your salad platter,
Okay.
spread it across the bottom, And I don't toss my salads either. I kind of build them almost like a salad lasagna.
Oh, this is crazy now, Jack. You're talking crazy. This is like a deconstructed potato salad.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
And as you're going, you can actually smash one or two of the spuds and pop them on like that.
Now.
And then we go.
This is so unorthodox.
Then we go radish. Then we go a handful of herbs.
Oh my goodness, that looks so good.
And then we go
Then
again.
we go big dollops of dressing.
Yeah.
Just randomly around it. And see, as people are scooping it out, it's automatically missing it.
Beautiful.
More spuds on top. And the bigger your plate, the higher you can stack it. So like if we're having like a summer barbecue now, like 3-4 different kinds of salad, like this. Like if you're doing a Caesar, leave the what you call it, the romaine lettuce whole into big wedges and build it the same way. Herbs again.
More herbs. Delicious.
And we go on another layer. Fair play to him.
I don't think I'm going to get it much higher than this now. But then a few little nicer touches of the salad dressing like that, or you could put it into a squeezy bottle and drizzle it if you wanted.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice. That looks absolutely beautiful. And a bit
Sea
of
salt.
Look at that.
That's it. Look at the chaos I've caused. That's it. Look at that.
That's beautiful looking.
But I have
It's
never seen
stunning.
a potato salad look like that
No,
before.
no,
But that's how it should look.
It's turned it on its head.
And again, another day, 2 weeks in a row, I forgot to give you cutlery, so you can have a
Well-
spoon to
Oh,
eat there.
great.
Having
Look,
spoons
I can-
instead, that's all right
I
with
can
me.
eat it with
Focusing
a
on
spoon.
roasting potatoes, so
We need.
Okay, I want some dressing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I think
have a
I'm
hot
out to
potato.
get, the one that he smashed there just at the end. I think I got a bit of that.
isn't it a game changer? And roasting it in the butter gives
Did you
that,
get a
gives
radish
that
as
really
well?
nice nutty taste.
But I did eat a whole potato, so it's just going to take me a while. Sorry.
It's going to take a while. Just a little while. That just tastes like more, Jack.
Doesn't it?
That is sensational. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have the rest of this. I'm sorry, Martin. This is my breakfast now. Jack, phenomenal work. Thank
Now
you
you
so
know
much.
what I have to work with. Now you know. Shocking.
I'll share with Elaine.
Good to see you.
Maybe.
Good seeing you guys.
Thanks a million.
From eating greens to growing them.
Yeah, we're going to be rolling up our sleeves for a lesson in growing your own groceries straight from the garden. We'll see you back here at